Okay, we're at the Live Love Downtown Festival and I'm starving. There's vendors, there's food, there's music. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're at Ciciilia Golden Crust Pizza. We're trying something new here. We've got a half pepperoni and a half dill pickle pizza. This has a creamy garlic sauce, some hot honey on it. So with no further ado, let's, oh boy, it's hot. Let's give them a bite. Oh my gosh. Oh, the dill pickle is really good actually. Better than I thought. Creamy garlic sauce. This is actually really cool, better than I was thinking. I'm going to give it an 8.3 out of 10. I really like it. Surprised me. Okay, let's give the pepperoni here. And I love pepperoni. That's what I normally do, right? Lots of pepperoni on it. The crust is a little bit doughy. I'm going to give this one a 7.5. But that's a great score. So all around, great pizza. Subscribe and thumbs up, please.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel.